Hi, thanks for watching another one of my videos on how to do the coin laundry business right and occasionally do the coin laundry business wrong. Today is Friday, April 22nd, 2022. It is 1:25 p.m. So it's afternoon on a Friday. This is Tornado Express Laundry Center. I showed you number one, this is number two, and this one's on Keys Boulevard in Dallas. It's a freestanding building. This one's unique in that it's a hybrid store, not on payment. Well, it is on payment, but it's also on equipment. On his 20 and 30 pound machines are the 200 G-Force hard mount washers. On his 45, 60, and 75 pound washers, he's gone with the Electrolux next level laundry soft mount machines. They are 450 G-Force high-speed extract soft mount machines. Awesome. He's really doing well in this store, and I wanted to show it to you as quick as possible. He's got a combination of the 35 pound, 50 pound stack dryers and two of the 82 pound single pocket dryers. So let's take a look around. You get a good wow factor as you drive up. As you can see, there's plenty of parking all the way through here. Access from two sides, and we'll stay out of her way. We'll walk in this way. But as you can see, as you pull up, you get the wow factor. As you come in, you can see the Electrolux equipment. We'll start with the 75 pound, 450 G-Force, high-speed extract soft mount, 60, 345s, a 60, and a 75. Now, what I wanted to show you on this one was the Compass Pro control. He has a hot cycle, warm, cold, quick wash. Now the quick wash lowered the price by a quarter because it's one wash and one rinse. I go back to cold, it's back up to $7. He's also added a sanitizing wash. This is a COVID thing. So for 50 cents, you run this machine for 1 minute and flush it out. Comforters, delicates, back to hot. I've seen people put pet blankets, all kinds of stuff in here, English and Espanol if you want it. And here's another 75. So now you can see the dryers. We've got the Electrolux 82 pound reversing dryers, the Electrolux 35 pound stack dryers, and the Electrolux 50 pound stack dryers. Now what's great about these is, this is something I didn't know until recently, but on Electrolux dryers, first of all, they were pretty much the forefront of reversing dryers for faster throughput. But these dryers have the eco power on them. So what it does is, the temperature goes up to 190, drops to 170, and as that starts becoming quicker in the closer dryer, the machine will automatically sense that, and it won't cut off the heat, but it'll reduce the heat. And always a fun thing to do while kids are in the store, but that's part of the deal. This is the laundry business. So it will adjust the heat when the clothes are dry, so it significantly reduces the amount of gas you use. He has a partner up in the Panhandle that I'm going to see next week, and his store that has competitors' equipment, he's spending $4,000 a month in gas. His new Electrolux store that does even more equipment is using $1,800 a month in gas. So these are incredible dryers. I used to not really have a good presentation unless you're putting in so much money in repairs, you're not going to get a gas savings to replace the dryers. But no question, when you're starting to put money into repairs, it's time to upgrade to the Electrolux dryers. And sorry, this video is running a little bit longer than they normally do. There's the 50 pound stack dryers and more 30s. Here we have a row of 45s, or a set of 45s, and then there's the 30 pound hard mounts, and the same thing over here, 30 pound hard mount machines. And we got one of the guys filling up the machine. We've got 20 and 20 pounds over here, and then a 45 pound back there. So, and look at the way the sealing is done. This is a business you go in to make money, not to steal money, okay? That's why you do these. That's why you don't see those old crappy laundromats that I used to see when I was in college full of top load machines. You're in this to make money, and that's what he's doing. We've got a build-to-bill exchanger. He had the custom logo put on there, the Laundry Works. Now this is an RFID system, which is really cool. You can see the security system. I'm a fan of this, showing that you're on video as soon as you come into the store. And then there's a sign up here for advertising, attendant area, and then, well, it's vacant. Let's walk into the water closet. If it's like the other one, yes, it turns on automatically. You know, that nobody's messed it up. It looks nice, and they haven't graffitied it or anything. And it's just the way, treat people the way you want to be treated. Let me sneak in here and walk into the boiler room. And he's using the A.O. Smith high efficiency Cyclone. And then we sneak behind the dryers back here. Light is on. You can see great looking installation, plenty of makeup air, good clean connection, single point on the gas and electric back here. All the vents are going through a manifold, and I will talk to him and ask him why he did that. I was not aware of it, but looks real good. Good room to work around back here, and you can see the vents coming out of the bottom of the 82s. So with that, there you have it. Tornado Express Laundry Center. As always, if you have any questions or comments, I look forward to hearing from you. We can do this for you anywhere in North Texas or Oklahoma. This is what we do, Texas Coin and Commercial Laundry. All my information is readily available. Be the first one in your town. I've been specializing in towns from populations of 5,000 to 50,000, and those are excellent locations for stores. Usually the competition there is run down or non-existent. So I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.